Welcome to the stream, guys. It's good to see everyone. Jobin, good to see you. T13, Kevin. Kevin, good to see you, buddy. You're here a bit early today, aren't you? Matt, good to see you. DeMarcus, how you doing, brother? Smash the like before y'all forget. Yeah, boy, smash the like button. If you're joining now or you're watching later, then just smash the like button. Tectum 50x from here is getting beaten up. I mean, it is getting beaten up. Tectum is getting beaten up. I mean, I cannot deny it. Tectum price action, it pumped. Now it just seems to have, a decent correction. Most likely go back down to the 5.5, 5.6 region. And I think that should be the bottom for this project. And I reckon it will have another bounce. And a 50x from this point on for Tectum is possible, yes. I do think it's possible. Khalid, walaikum salam. King Casper, Lewis, Hugo, how you boys doing? Jasper, how you doing, buddy? So Tectum will bounce. Definitely will bounce. I mean, you guys can see the last month, it wicked down to like 5.5. You guys can't see on here, but I'm next to you. Wicked down to 5.5. And then it ultimately went around almost 9.5 or something, $9.5. And it bounced back up. And I think the same thing will happen again. Right now, the sentiment for that project isn't the best. It's fine though. Sam, walaikum salam. How you doing, bro? Good evening, G. Hope you're well. I'm alright, mate. How are you? Advice, please. 100k coins in Tectum or 50k in AI tech. What is your opinion and better returns? About 4k to buy at the min. Between those two, OTK's pumped too much. That's the only problem. OTK has pumped too much. If it comes down, then it will be a better buying opportunity. But right now, I think it's too high for OTK. It needs to have a good correction before worth buying again. I would wait for it to go down to about 3.8 around those regions. I think, I don't know, 4 cents. I wouldn't buy it now though. AI tech is a much better buying opportunity now. Just DCA, both of them. Not tech. I mean OTK is already pumped too much. I wouldn't DCA now, but I would DCA some AI tech and then wait to see if Tectum comes back down. Because if it doesn't, then it's not really worth the investment, is it? Right now, it's already pumped too much. Merkel, Overkill, how you boys doing? Just join your VIP group today. Sing, it's good to have you, bro. M, how you doing, bro? Buzz, how you doing? I'm alright, boys. I'm doing alright. Just chilling right now, doing a quick little live stream, just to check up on you guys, check up on the markets. There you go. See, OTK just dumped hard right now. See that? See? It just dumped really hard. It will dump. I mean, it will dump with the rest of the market. There's no, there's no point FOMOing into the project. That's already pumped significant amounts. Good day, G. Didn't Russell went from CEO to CTO in today's news to step down as CTO, RIP Russell? Well, that's Merkel. That's been around for a long time. I mean, I already told you guys in a VIP group a long time ago that Russell stepped down as CTO. That's not a problem. The reason, I think that's the reason that Tectum is dumping, but that's not really a problem. Why? Because Russell is very smart. And I would rather have Russell, working on the SDKs, working on the soft nodes, rather than him just being the CTO, because he is a very smart guy. You see what I'm saying? So I would prefer him working on the project rather than just being the CEO and not doing nothing. Out of all of them, he's probably the smartest one there. So Russell being, stepping down to work, he's basically the developer now. He's part of the development team, which is really good in my opinion. A lot of people don't like that because they like Russell. But Russell hasn't left the team. He's just working on the SDKs as well as the soft nodes. So I do prefer that over him just being the CTO. Bro, just having someone as a CTO does not mean nothing. If the project's not done, the product's not finished, the SDKs are not live, no one can build on these guys. And the soft nodes are not ready. They can't have mass adoption. So Russell being as smart as he is, I would prefer him to work on the project rather than just be the CTO. CTO is just a name. It doesn't mean nothing. Overkill, how you doing, buddy? Oh yeah, Jerome, is this speaking right now? Do you guys let me know what Jerome is saying? Let me see how Bitcoin's performing, because I mean we kind of know it's most likely just gonna stay higher for longer, which is already announced. The only thing that's gonna be is Bitcoin might have another pump, maybe another shot at 70k. If it gets rejected again, then it's going down. The fourth time is already hit off this trend line three times now. Boom, boom. If it hits again, that's the fourth time. After that, it's going to get rejected and it will go down lower. That's what I think is going to happen. If he has one more attempt and he can't break through, he will get rejected. And it will go back down to the low 50s or mid 50s. And then after that, what do you think is going to happen to our altcoins? They will get wrecked even more. So let's just see what Bitcoin does from this point on. It might have another attempt at 70k in August, I think. If it can break through, then we're going to have another rally at the end of the year. If it doesn't, then, we'll probably go back down and then rally back up. Maybe towards the end of the year still. Do I like Hash AI? No, I do not like Hash AI, my friend. Hash AI is a scam. This is actually a scam. Do not buy this project, bro. I don't know why. I'm still confused to who's shilling this project, but this is a scam. This project is awful, bro. It only pumps just due to influencers shilling it. That's it. Crypto mining, bro. Come on. I'm not really too keen on this project, bro. The only thing these projects are even good for is just their partnerships. The Nvidia, the AMD, and all these bullshit partnerships. New AI released called Foxy AI. Looks bad. The concept is something to do with gaming and sports. Yeah, that doesn't even sound that good, does it? Did you check Augment on Sol? Launched, I think, yesterday. Around 3 million market cap at the moment. This was the price crypto got John securely bought pre-sale. Augment looked decent, actually. It did look decent from my understanding. I had to look at it. Where can I find it, Overkill? Augment actually looked decent. Let's have a look at Augments. Is it on here now? I might have to go on Deck Screener and find it. Right now, the crypto market is so dead, bro. It's actually so dead. There's nothing to talk about anymore. There's nothing to even, all the new coins are coming out, but they're not even that interesting anymore. The crypto market right now is really, really boring, boys. And this is the best time to accumulate when the market is really boring. Casper could fly, yeah. Well, Casper's doing some good work right now. First deep in GPU on-chain verification is Oracle. Okay. So it does have the Nvidia startup, I'm assuming. Nvidia, Microsoft, Google developer programs. Okay. Oh, okay. This is not bad, actually. Might have to grab a bag of this one. I have to check the vesting schedule for this. Teams docs, which is good to see. Don't normally see these with these little Solana coins. Is it backed by Solana, though? Is it backed by Solana? 3 million market cap. Oh, it's one of those. Okay. This looks like more of a money grab, but it could be a decent trade. I would class this more of a trade. Augment lost me 90% from TGE. Be careful. Yeah, because if you buy it, Lewis, off launch, everyone dumps off launch. So you cannot hold the project off launch. You hold it, you buy it after it dumps significantly. So do be careful buying coins off launch, because if there's early investors and there's pre-sale guys, they will just dump. They make it like around 40-50% pump, and then they just sell. And there's probably a bunch of them selling as well. Anthony, good to see you, buddy. But this is not too bad. I'll have a look at this properly. I have to look at the contracts and stuff as well, because it's 100% in circulation. Liquidity is pretty good. I will have to check the contract and stuff. So let's just go on Augment right here. But good shout, the Overkill. Someone showed this to me a few days ago. I didn't really look into it further, but you just reminded me. Augment lost me 90%. Damn. Yeah, Lewis, that's why I waited until launch. Yeah, look, you don't ever buy something off launch, bro. Just give it like a couple of days and it'll just pump. I mean, it'll just dump really hard. So do not buy something off launch. It's probably the worst thing you can do. Not to 0.3, Jose, but somewhere around roughly between 4 to 3. If it goes to like 3.5 cents or whatever, it's not a bad time to DCA. But I wouldn't touch it now though. This is the worst time to buy. Ricardo, how you doing? Brother, do you agree? Munity 50x, Sony, what's Sony? 60x, 35x, AI Tech 30x, Alt 40x, OTK 40x, Truth 40x. Yeah, I actually agree with that. I don't know what Sony is. I'll have to look into that one later. I think Tech could do more than 35x. AI Tech 30x is reasonable. Alt I think can do more than a 40x, bro. I do think Alt can do more than a 40x. OTK 40x, yep. Truth, I don't know about Truth doing a 40x, my friend. Truth is, the vesting is a bit harsh, so do be careful. If this goes down below 10 cents, it will be a good time to buy. Then I think it can do a 40x. But from this current price pool, 40 million market cap, I don't think this can do a 40x yet. Let this go down some more. Keep in mind, there is a harsh vesting schedule. The fully diluted is 154 million. So you have to wait for this to go down further before I would say it's worth the investment, because the early investors are up a decent amount, I think. And right now, there's no interest in these type of projects. There's no interest. Yeah, these guys are still up about 100%. I don't know what these guys are up, but is very early investor focused. 6.5 million early investors. So just be patient. Let this come down a bit before buying. The team and recruitment token unlocks next month. Is it next month or in a few months? But the investors hold 25% of the supply. So as long as they're up, they're going to continue to dump every single day. It is linear unlocks as well. So, oh, is it monthly? No, it's monthly. So this will be 40 million by the start of next year. Keep that in mind. So a 50x for Truth is a bit crazy to think, especially when the market cap is going to be 40 million, by the start of the year. Ahmed, how you doing, brother? What are the top accumulation projects right now? That is a very, very good question. Let me have a look. Tectum is a good DCA, my friend. Tectum, 5.5, 5.6, good DCA. AI Tech is not a bad DCA right now. These are the top projects to start accumulating. 10 cents, long term, very, very good buy. It could go down to 8 cents, but that's 50-50. I wouldn't even risk it. Naka, very, very good time to DCA this project as well. Naka's not too bad. I would potentially wait a bit lower for Naka, to be honest. But this is a good project to DCA, I would say. That's it. So far, that's it. Everything else is pumped. Or is not too bad to DCA. Actually, or is a good DCA as well. Sensei is pumped too much. No point buying that anytime soon. You guys need to buy Sensei like 2 days after the unlock. 2 days after the unlock for Sensei. Oh, Sensei. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Bollinger, that's right. When am I dropping? When am I going to give my RWA coins to the private group? I will drop 2 new RWA coins, micro cap ones, low cap ones, in the VIP group in about 2 to 3 days, Alex. In about 2 to 3 days, it will be dropped. It dropped 90%. Oh shit, you dropped 90%, then you got your tokens, Lewis. Damn, that's kind of fucked. Are you going to give any new DJ and gaming coins? I've got plenty of new DJ and gaming coins. Yes, Alex, I do have them. I think the only ones that have the potential to do a 100x, a 60x, a 50x in terms of gaming is the micro cap ones that can go parabolic like Creo. I found Creo at 100k market cap. Crypto God, how you doing, buddy? I found Creo 100k market cap. Unfortunately, I sold it after a 10x, which is still good returns. But if you held, you would have ultimately made, 100x approximately, yes, for my call. So, I do think I do have some low cap gaming projects that we can trade, yes, 100%. OTK out of your buy zone. The only thing that can bring this down is significant question. Bitcoin hopefully paid. Yeah, exactly. It will come down, Jasper, in the next couple of months. Just be patient, guys. Appreciate that information, Lewis. Thank you. What about Fed still not cutting rates? You expect something different after Jackson Hole? So with the Fed not cutting rates, I think they're gonna break something, bro. Look, the Fed will chat shit and say, you know, that the economy is doing really well, bro. The debt ceiling went over 35 trillion now, so clearly it's not doing that well, is it? And you know, unemployment is going up, yield curve is almost uninverted. The economy is not in a good state. So anyone telling you the economy is in a good state is just lying to you. It's only a matter of time before we get before they crash the markets, bro. It's gonna happen. Stocks are all-time highs. They need a reason to bring stocks down at least 20%, 20, 30%, whatever the case is. You know, if it comes down 20%, 30%, 40%, that reason will also bring the crypto market down. Say something about Munity. I think Munity could easily do a 50x from this point on, bro. Munity right now is a micro cap. The dilution is not too bad either. Dilution is pretty good. I mean, if you was in the VIP group, you would have ultimately been up 2x on this, about 3x on OTK, 3.5x on OTK, 2x on Sensei, you know, decent amount on 3x on Sensei actually, yeah. And then a decent amount on what's the other called? Alt. You're still a bit in profits and Alt. Ross, finally, bro. I was looking for you yesterday. Where you been? How are you, brother? You know, Munity will pump. It will continue to pump. It's holding this region fairly well. You know, it's holding this region very, very well. The new game comes out. They're very close to Beam. I'm bullish on Beam. I'm bullish on everything, the entire Beam ecosystem. They're going to have 3 games out. This project will do well. I mean, if you're going to look for a D-Gen gaming project, there's no other one, in my opinion, better than this one. I mean, look, ICNX is not really D-Gen. ICNX market cap is like, you know, this market cap for ICNX is not correct. This is the real market cap for ICNX. Let me show you guys. But when it comes to D-Gen gaming projects, pick whichever one you want. I don't really care. You can pick whichever one you want. The only reason I like Munity is because there's barely any early investors. It's like 8%, 7% early investors. Yeah, so the market cap for I think is 2 million, by the way. It's 2 million market cap. So it's not a micro cap. This is like 10 times bigger than Munity. See, if you want a D-Gen gaming project, just go with Munity. You know. Research Coin, talking about Brian Armstrong, Coinbase co-founder. Don't sleep on this. I've heard about Research Coin. It performed really well, my friend. Research Coin at one point performed really well, and it wasn't coming down. I don't know what it's on now. Oh shit, it's pumping. CEO of Coinbase. Oh, is he one of the co-founders? Really? That's interesting. If you got this at the low, you would have ultimately made close to a 70x. But from this point on, I don't think it's really worth it, bro. You're going to get the bare minimum returns. And I will sleep on this. To be fair, if this gets a few exchanges, this can do well. This project is actually decent. It's more like a tool rather than something you invest into, but it will do well. Sodoma Dual tokens. What is the reason for being not on the worth list? Well, because Jewel, and I've explained this multiple times, my friend, Jewel has no license to run any of these projects. The only reason Jewel even has this high volume, this decent market cap, is because the staking rewards is really, really high. But then even with the staking rewards, it looks a bit scammy because most people don't even receive their tokens, or it's like a delay in their tokens. But the main reason why I'm not bullish on this project is because they don't have any license to you know, run any of these games. There was a project similar to this last cycle. They got sued and it went to zero. And, you know, the fact that they can run this and then, you know, active players can play it, blah, 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 blah. This is all bullshit. There's not this many active players playing the game. There's active players in these games, maybe. But for these guys, no. For these guys, no. So there's a very good risk of this getting sued if it performs decent. That's why I stay away from projects like this. You know, and the fact that it's called I don't know, GPT, game GPT, is this a scam, bro? They just rugged another project, Rainmaker, and they've really rebranded to this. So that should already be a red flag. The fact that they dumped another token and relaunched it. It's weird. Boys, let's smash the like button. Let's get to 50 likes minimum. I want to see 50 likes minimum this stream. Maybe 60 likes. But let's get to 50 likes. If you're watching this and you haven't smashed the like button, boys, smash that like button. So that is why, Julian, it's not on the worth list. You have to be very careful with this type of project, my friend. They pump, yes, when the narrative takes off. But at the same time, if you don't have license for these games, why are you running them? They don't have no license for this game. And a prime example is that coin I told you guys last cycle. It dumped significantly. Forward protocol 0.16, what do you think will be a good buy zone? Don't buy anytime soon, Black. Don't buy forward anytime soon, my friend. 30 likes and G will flex his bicep for us. I'll flex it for you guys anyways. When's the next? Is that the 2nd of August, my friend? So you guys need to buy like 2 days afterwards. Just for the unlocks to actually kick in. Don't buy straight away because, you know, people the token distribution takes a bit of time. $100 likes for the email reveal. Merkel, that's funny, bro. I think there's like 2 people that have asked for my email now, which is quite concerning. I don't know why people want my email. You could just DM me on Telegram. Someone just messaged me. Let me see what he said. Someone messaged me. Just saw your chat history in the HTPTC group. Thank you for finding these 2 gems, AI Tech and AGI. Yo, G, I came from Seth's group. I've been here for 6 months. And, you know, I've been lurking. He said, I've been lurking. Wait, let me see. I've been lurking for the past 2 weeks on your YouTube channel streams. My friend, if you're watching this, appreciate you. I told you, bro, you guys, if you guys don't believe me, like when these YouTubers say, go check the chat history, go check their buy alerts, you guys can go into my private my public group now, search AI Tech and AGI. You will see my call there in November, bro. You can see all my calls there, Claw AI, Tau, I don't know what else, Minlayer, Epico. What else is there, bro? All of them are in there, bro. OTK's in there. OTK's in there. Naka's probably in there, I don't know. Naka might have been in my old group that got hacked. SMT's in there. Bro, DMTR, Chirply, you know, Tectum's in there. Lit Labs is in there. All my calls are in there. You know, so but let's just work on 50 likes first. Let's work on 50 likes first. You guys are going 500 likes for G's address. Optopia. It's not too bad, my friend. Is that a Minecraft game? Yeah, this is the Minecraft game. I can't find it. I think you got the wrong name. Optopia. That's not a project, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think that's a project, Alex. Do you think Alt will have many gains than Naka? Of course, Alt will have way more gains than Naka, my friend. Alt is 18 million market cap. Naka's like almost 100 million. Of course, Alt will have way more gains than Naka. Also for Thai, just wondering if they have better holds. I have too many gaming and need more AI. Thai is a good project, but it has to be at the right time. And the only reason, and I've mentioned this multiple times, the only reason this project is even good is because it's on Solana. It's not because the actual project is good. And none of that. And the market cap is 15 million. I've got a better AI project than this on Solana. So let's see. I mean, I found this project at like 3 cents. I just never gave the buy alert on it because at that time we was focused on Alt, Sensei, and AI Tech and AGI. So I didn't think we need a 4th, 5th AI project. But now I'm thinking of adding one more AI project. So, you know, I will find another 100%. I've already got one, but I don't want to leak it on here. But Tars is a good project. I mean, it's been on my honorable mentions for about a decent amount of time now. At least I'm over a month now. Oh yeah, Chirply is a good project as well. So as a low cap alternative, Chirply is a good one as well. Rock, appreciate you, buddy, for smashing the like button. Every time I see someone say they want your email, I start dying. Bro, who even asked for someone's email? That's the first time I've ever heard that. Ricardo, how you doing, buddy? Come on, man. Do you think Brian Armstrong would not push the project like this? It will be listed on Coinbase sooner or later. Mark faces. Yeah, I do agree with you, bro. If he's the co-founder, he will definitely list it on. But then again, you got to take in consideration he might not do it. Why? Because that's a form of market manipulation. So yes, you might think, you know, it's going to get listed on Coinbase, but Coinbase is heavily regulated. If he is an investor in that project, then ultimately what that means is if he gets a Coinbase listing, that could be a form of insider trading. So, you know, you got to take that in consideration as well, Ricardo. Take that in consideration as well. Coinbase is heavily regulated. And if he lists it because he's invested into it, that is a form of, you know, insider trading, market manipulation. So you got to be smart, Ricardo. You can't just think just because someone's the co-founder that they're just going to list it instantly. It's not the case. It's not always the case. It's very likely though, but it's, you know, but that's a good project though. But it's just 22 million market cap for such a niche project. I don't think it's worth. If you call the bottom, then fair enough. But buying right now, it's not really worth. I've already looked into Natix. Phaeton. I think Natix is a good project. It is a little bit niche just because, you know, there's like 4 other projects similar to this. You got Atlas Navi, you got Hivemaker, you've got Domi. So it does have competition. The only thing that concerns me is the fact that the early investors hold 13 million market cap. So they hold approximately right now, if you go, you know, they hold around 70% of the supply currently of the current market cap. So that's the only thing that concerns me. You know, you got early backers 25%, team advisors, that is almost 50% of the tokens. Well, it's 50% of the tokens in the hands of early investors. Do you see where I'm coming from? So this is the only reason I've stayed away from this project. Why? Because it's just too heavy diluted for the early investors. I mean, most of these guys, the ICOs, you know, why is it doing that, bro? Why does it do that on its own? The ICOs, you know, they're up a little bit. But the main guys are these guys here, they're strategic and these guys are at least up 5 to 10x, I reckon. If these guys are up 1.5x, these guys got to be up at least 5x. So that's the only reason I'm not too keen on this project, my friend. The vesting is a little bit harsh. You know, 50% of the tokens is early investors. The team is still classed as early investors, and they will get their tokens next year. But the early backers, they haven't got their tokens yet. They get it in a month's time. So you got to be very, very careful, my friend. Now, when did these guys get their tokens? Hold on. Next unlock. Yeah, so, you know, but by December times, they will get their tokens. So in a few months, they will get their tokens. And this is going to dump significantly. So this is why, you got to understand, these VCs don't care about these projects. They will make their money and they will go. Because these VCs not just invested into one project. They invest into, you know, hundreds of other projects. So they don't have no incentive. Yeah, so the start of next year, these tokens are going to get unlocked. So the vesting is a little bit harsh for Natix. It's more of a trade. When the narrative kicks off, just trade it. Is Beam better than Miria? Not for investment wise, no. But Beam as a project is way better than Miria. But in terms of X returns, Miria will give more returns than Beam. I've already looked into Topia, my friend. That's the Minecraft looking game. I'm not keen on it. Crypto G, and the G stands for Neo. Fuck Logic because... Minato, good to see you, buddy. How you doing? We only got 37 likes. Boys, let's get to 50 likes right now. Leroy, how you doing, bro? It's good to see you. some people might be watching without logged in on YouTube. That is also true, Alex. That is also true. I've never thought about that. I am under invested in AI. Any suggestions that are investable right now? Bora, any suggestions? Grab AI tech right now and a bit of alt. That's it. AI tech and alt are the best DCAs today, apart from along with Tectum. Be very yeah, I've already looked into it, Alex. Is that Minecraft looking game? It's very niche, bro. I personally don't like projects that just copy other projects like Web2 stuff. I personally don't like that. Because Minecraft, like, what are the chances that the Minecraft players from Web2 is going to flock over to Web3? It's very, very unlikely. Unless there's a bunch of players in that game and a bunch of people can play it. But if you're in that game and there's like 10 people in the entire game, but no one's going to play it because you're going to feel bored playing by yourself. See what I'm saying? If there's like thousands of players, then there's some incentive. Because the more people play it, the more interaction, more people are likely to play it. But if there's like 10 people like Illuvium, there's like 10 people playing the game, no one's going to play the game, bro. Illuvium launched their token after like 5 years. And look at the price action. It's just dumped all the way back down. Because no one gives a shit about these type of projects. You know, it had a nice pump from 54 to 65 or 70 or some shit. And then since then, bro, the game's come out. No one, it's just a sell-down news event. No one cares. And there's still influencers that's been paid for the last cycle shilling this now. It's embarrassing, bro. Anyone that's shilling Illuvium, stay away from the YouTube channel, bro. They are a paid shiller. What is my thoughts on Guru Network? I've never heard of that project. First of all, the volume is awful. 10x dilution. Chart looks okay. It looks like a brand new project. Just look at the markets. Mexi, Bitmart, Uniswap. Not the best of markets, but it's not the worst of markets. Multi-chain Web3 automatic AI compute layer. Okay, I see what this is. It's like an AI dApp. This is creating dApps using AI, similar to GLQ, what GLQ originally aimed to be. The website looks awful. That's first things first. They've got Chainlink, which is good. They got Altcoin as partnerships. You have to verify that partnership though. The team isn't doxed. So they've got a few VCs back in them. So there must be some early investors behind this. They got Marina, okay. This is more of a trade, my friend. This is like a trade rather than a long-term investment. It doesn't look too bad, but you know, would I do a buy alert on this? No way in chance. This is the good trade when the narrative takes off. It's not one that you hold long term. Definitely not. BF, the RWA gems are dropping in 3 days, my friend. 2 to 3 days. Both of them will drop. I got 2 for you guys, not just one. I got 2. After that's done, I will drop a brand new AI coin for you guys as well. For the private group. Yeah, so as soon as that is done, as soon as I give the 2 DCA alerts on the RWA coins, the next coin that I will be mentioning is an AI project. It will be an AI project and it will be on Solana. Maybe 50-50 actually. I'm contorted between like 2-3 different projects at the moment. I'll see which one's doing okay at the time. Oh, you already got those, Borat. Then nothing at the moment, my friend. I'm about 75% in the market. Would you continue to DC it or go in heavy? Just wait, see what Bitcoin does, Russ, before you choose. Because even if Bitcoin goes up, our altcoins are going to move. So if Bitcoin goes up, then I would say I would DCA heavier. At the moment, just wait. Casper can hit $40 short term. I don't think he can, no. $40 for Casper is like 8 billion or 10 billion market cap. Let's be honest, bro. Like, do you really think that's gonna happen? I don't think that's gonna happen. I told one of my guys to start buying this at 18 cents, 19 cents. He bought large amounts, and now he's up at 16%. So he's made a good amount of money short term. I have most of your top picks, about 71k total in the portfolio. Do you think it's possible from here to turn that into 1 million? Yeah, I think so. I think so, Christopher, yes. If you have all my picks, then it will be, yes. That's like a 10x, bro. That's over like a 13x or 14x. That's comfortable, bro. That's conservative. Miria 0.5. Let me have a look at Miria right now. 0.5. Nah, hell no. Bro, that's what? That's like a 50. That's like no chance, bro. It's a 50x. Do you know how much 50x would be for this project, bro? It'd be like 120. It would be like almost 4 to 5 billion. That's excluding dilution. With dilution, let's say about 5 billion. This will be 5 billion market cap for this to reach a 50x, which is going to be quite hard in my opinion. Probably a bit more than that. So, 50 cents is a bit optimistic, my friend. What the hell, brand new AI coin, nice. Yeah, Merkel, bro, I always find the gems, bro. I just stay quiet about them. I don't want to ever leak my gems again. Look what happened when I started talking about Alt and Sensei. Now the whole world is talking about them, bro. Every other YouTuber is talking about Alt and Sensei now. So I don't want to leak my new coin. And I'll make sure this one doesn't get leaked. It will be a secret gem just for the VIP lot. Sam, I appreciate you, my friend. I'm always honest on here, bro. It's LTO is good RWA. I see this get down to good DCA level now. What's LTO? Let's have a look. There's not many. Look, you guys got to realize there's not many RWA coins. It's 50 million market cap, my friend. This probably is good, but it's too high for my liking. I got Relio, which is like 80 million or something, but I'm not gonna invest into a project this high, bro. This looks good though. I'm not even looking at it, but I'm just skimming through it. Teams doxed. Decentralized future for digital. Decentralized identity. Nah. It's too niche. It's a layer 1. Okay. RTO is a layer 1 with public and private layer. Bridge between real world and digital ownership. This is not too bad actually. I like the concept. Would I invest into this? Nope. I think it's too high a market cap. It's already on Binance. It looks like it's an old project by the looks of it. Yeah, but of course. This is an old project. I wouldn't touch this, bro. You just kind of sense an old project instantly, bro. I would stay away from that one, bro. That's a very old project, bro. It's like 2 cycles ago. Yeah, Chris is going to be very, very rich in the next 6 to 12 months. And you'll thank me for picking my picks, Chris. 17k to 1 million. You could do it. That's possible, Solflex. What project is this? MK. FRBK. Free BNK. Good low cap. Good volume. Chart looks okay. Hasn't really pumped. It looks like it's a brand new project. Let's have a look at this. Is this RWA? Join millions in crypto revolution. Is this one of those farming stuff? It's an app. Okay. Is this free bank? Is this the thing that everyone uses for their wallet? I'm pretty sure everyone uses free bank for their wallet. Or am I tripping? This could do okay, to be fair. I've seen a lot of people use this. Is there any token utility for this? Created a new wave of real estate. This RWA as well. Doesn't everyone use free bank for their wallet? Pretty sure everyone uses this. Team is docs. Yeah, this is not too bad actually. It's a little bit niche, but let's look at their partners. Oh, that's D Bank, not Free Bank. That's D Bank. I'm mistaken it. They got a partnership with CoinMarketCap. What does that mean? Magic Square. Stella, that's ass. Decubator is not bad. I wouldn't invest into this. It's a little bit too niche, my friend. This is another wallet. I don't know what RWA they do, but it's not too bad though. It's not too bad. But I would invest into it. No, definitely not. There's better places to put your money for more returns than this one. Volume is good. You have to check the vesting schedule as well for this one. The highest this could go, but I don't even know, to be honest. I have to look into these type of projects possible. Will the Discord be ready by the time you drop the project? The Discord will not be ready, no. I'm dropping the projects in literally 2-3 days. In about 2-3 days, MK. The Discord will be, Jobin, the Discord will be ready by Saturday, Sunday. What day is it today? Wednesday. Yeah, by Saturday, Sunday, the Discord will be ready. Oh, Khalid. Khalid, you're back at it again, my friend. Appreciate the 10, Khalid. Happy August, Big G. Khalid, I appreciate you, buddy. Khalid's the top donator on my live streams, bro. This guy's crazy. Khalid, I appreciate you, buddy. 12k into Sensei, quick 10x, then move that money safe 10x. That's not a bad idea, Salflex. You might as well go for it, bro. 12x in Sensei is crazy. I mean, 12k in Sensei is crazy, though. You're just gonna get dumped on as soon as you buy 12k. Khalid, I appreciate you, buddy. You said 40 cents for CAS, not dollars. I know he said 40 cents for CAS, but he's talking about in the short term. In the long term, yes, but he's talking about in the short term. Short term, he probably means in the next couple of weeks or something. Next week to a month. That's what he means, Rock. And that's not possible in the next... Where's another $5 billion going to come from for Casper, bro? Not with these market conditions. Maybe, latter half of this year, early next year, it could be possible. Not in the next month or couple of weeks, the short term he's talking about. How much AI tech can make you a millionaire? Did I misspoke? How much AI tech for a millionaire? You need at least 30k for AI tech to be a millionaire, bro. Yeah, put your limit orders, Selflex. Just be patient for now. Don't buy it now, though. Just be patient. If you're gonna put that much, you might as well put it into Alt, Selflex. You might as well put it into Alt, my friend. About 200 to 300k market AI tech should be a good chance to become a millionaire. Yeah, I would agree with you, Overkill. 2 to 300k is more than enough, bro. Sturdy backed by Coinbase 2 million market cap might be good for a trade DeFi. Let's have a look. I love BTC. You guys gotta shield these type of projects in the VIP group, but not in here. What if you find a gem? Then what? Isolated lending, shared liquidity. Okay, this is liquid staking is pretty good. Backed by, it's not backed by, it's Coinbase Ventures, Pantera, SoftBank, audited by them guys. Where is the Coinbase partnership, my friend? It doesn't say there's backed by. It doesn't say there's backed by anything Coinbase related. Unless I got the wrong project, but Uniswap only. That's weird. Anything backed by Coinbase Ventures is not just going to be on Uniswap. So I think you got the wrong project, buddy. Next bull run, returns from max project, from each project will be 10x. Everything will start being slow like stocks. I don't agree with that, T13. Why? Because there's going to be a bunch of low cap projects, my friend. We're always going to get the micro caps. So do not worry, my friend. As long as we don't get heavily regulated, we're the only coins you can buy that are legit, because we need the scammy projects to make us money. Bitcoin and stuff, the top 10 coins will, but there's always going to be thousands of altcoins launching in T13, so we don't have nothing to worry about. And I think there's going to be more people coming into micro caps next. So there's going to be more money in altcoins. Hi G, could you please have a look at Cronus? It's a gaming project, just wondering if it's worth the investment. I am aware of Cronus. I traded this project, and at the time when it was brand new. What's the ticker for this? Is it Croc? My friend, what's the ticker? I'm not bugging out or something, bro. Oh, it's, bro, what's Scopy? That's what it was. But this hasn't even dropped that much. 2 cents to 10 cents, that's 12 cents. That's a nice little 5x, 10x. And this could give you another 10 to 15x, 20x max. The game looks really good though. This game looks decent. What markets are these guys on? Mexi, terrible markets. I would expect this. I'll have to look at the vesting schedule for this. Let's have a look at the vesting schedule. Copy. To see if it's worth the investment. Now he's finished loading his bag, it's not him. Crypto G with the wife beater on. The same wife beater vest, but this is a normal vest. Where did you get the wife beater on? What the hell? Yo, these guys are up huge amounts, but I wouldn't touch this anytime soon. Oh, they only raised 1.6 million. That's tiny. This launched at 600k market cap. How was it 33 million? What? No, I wouldn't buy this now, bro. This has to go down way more. The early investors are up huge amounts, but what a early investment this was. What a good public, sale this was. It says Coinbase Ventures on Crypto Rank. Weird, it's not. Yeah, it's not on their website. It's not legit. In your private group, do you plan to actively trade out your coins near peaks and buy back into the market for more gains and just hold until the parabolic peak? What I will do is, I will definitely do a bunch of trades. Yes, I'm doing a bunch of trades, Christopher. It all depends on the coin. I'm most likely going to be narrative to narrative this cycle. T13, most people lose interest in crypto in the bear market. Exactly, bro. You think that the bear market, but but there's barely any people here. There's only the people like us that's in the markets at that point. Everyone just goes Bitcoin heavy and USDT heavy. The altcoins just go down 99% plus more, plus another 99%, some of them. AI take an AGI 50x from here? No, I don't think they can 50x from here, bro. It's possible, but 50x is a bit too far in my opinion. It's between 30 to 50x. I've explained to you 100 times it's called a wife beater, but shush, please. What do I think about trias? I'm not really keen on trias anymore, my friend. The wife beater is the white one. This is a black one, bro. So it's no longer wife beater. How many X's can Ton do in a bull run, my friend? Maybe like a 5x something. How much is Ton market cap? Probably like a max. You'll probably go to like 70, 80 million max. So approximately like a 3-4x. Approximately around 3-4x. He's not paid to that Fantastical now. He wasn't paid to show, my friend. He probably just genuinely likes the project. Sabri, I'm not really keen on trias anymore. I don't think it'll pump. It won't give you much returns. If you got into the bottom for trias, then it's cool. But $1, $2, $3 max. But if you anything below that, I wouldn't buy it. I ain't never leaving G's group if my portfolio does over 20x. Your portfolio will do a 20x really, really easily, my friend, Russ. I think you guys have been a little bit conservative. The only reason I tell you guys 30x, 50x is because I'm being conservative. Some of these projects can go 200x, 300x. I can be a moon boy and just sit here, give Sensei a 200x, potential cap or 100x potential cap, even though I do think it can go there. But I give conservative returns. But 20x your portfolio on my coin specifically, Russ, that's a very easy thing to do. No, Trias is not a bad project. Trias 50 to 100x, bro. Are you okay? Trias cannot do a 50 to 100x, bro. What are you on about? How can Trias do 100 to 50x? The market cap is 68 million. For this to do 100x, even though it's 100% circulation, that's almost 7 billion market cap. The narrative is not that strong anymore for this to do. If this was going to do anything close to 100x, this was already would have done anything more than this. But this was like a what? 3. It's like an 8x gain or something. 7x, 8x gain. This project is. It depends if they get mass adopted by China. If China adopts this as their main crypto project, then it will do really well. So that's a 50-50 chance. Sabri. But 100x from here is ridiculous. 50x is still ridiculous. A 20 to 30x for Trias is possible. You guys gotta start being too moon boyish, bro. Over 20x, Russ, that's comfortable, my friend. Very comfortable. Yeah, there's no point holding Solana. Solana could do like a 2x from here, bro. Your highest cap of lithium, that's very good. My highest cap in when I got into the markets again after the bear market, after the bull run, was Injective, which was like 90 million. So that was my safety net. So if your safety net is a lithium or 160, that's fine. We are degens at heart, my friend. I don't know why people hold Solana unless you hold like $1 million into it, bro. Do not hold Solana. No problem, my friend. So that's the only thing that Trias depends on is if China adopts this as its main crypto, then it can do a 50x, then it has the potential to do a 100x. But if it doesn't, then you're looking at about 20 to 30x. So I still like Trias as a project. Their mainnet is live. They're fundamentally a good project. But, in order for you to see the life-changing money on this project specifically, it will have to get mass adopted by China. Could you take a look at 01 Labs? I do like 01 Labs, DEAI. I have to check what they've done with the tokenomics because from what I heard, they had an update on the tokenomics because the vesting schedule for this initially was awful. It was really, really bad. But recently I heard they changed it, so I need to know what they changed it into. Second, Tim. So once I find out, then I'll let you know. Jobin, was that you that joined? Good to see you. Good to have you, Jobin, my friend. You're with the best. You're with the best. You know what I might do next stream? Even though there's I got nothing to prove realistically, but I think the best, you know what I'll do just to prove, to everyone that's watching me and all the haters, I will go on my Telegram. I will show you guys a screenshot of all my calls, so then no other influencer can say, show proof of your calls. Because yes, I spawned out of nowhere. That is true. I spawned out of nowhere. And I made a decent name for myself already. And other influencers are saying that, in order to say I'm legit, I'll have to show proof of this. So that's what I'll do. That's the next thing I'll do, show proof of this. I'll do that tomorrow's stream. If I go live tomorrow, I will show some proof for this, just to show you guys that I'm not just waffling. That way, that can shut all the haters up as well. There's a bunch of wafflers that come on my stream. Trying to troll and stuff, bro. I need to start ignoring those people. When Discord will be at the end of this week, so Saturday, Sunday will be Discord Moby White. Malvin, good to see you, buddy. I think it's the first time I've seen you here. You are awesome. What are the good altcoins to buy right now for the short-term hold? For the short-term, Malvin, my friend, I would potentially say, what is your time frame for short-term? What do you mean by short-term? You're talking about for a quick trade. For a quick trade at the moment, it's hard to say. Great idea for tomorrow's stream, Khalid. Oh, that's perfect then. If Khalid thinks it's a good idea, then it's a good idea. I shall do that, Khalid. I shall do that. For those guys that, for anyone that's coming on here trolling, saying, you didn't call these projects, blah, 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 whatever. I will show the proof tomorrow. That way no one can ever say anything about me again. Let me have a look at short-term projects. Short-term, I would probably say, if Tectum goes to like 5.5, I think Tectum could be a good short-term play for a good trade. I think Tectum will bounce. You planning to hold for 2 months? Yeah, look, Tectum's already bounced. For 2 months. 2 months time frame, I think everything's going to go down, Malvin, so I'm not really too keen with that idea, 2 months. If anything, just wait until the altcoin market crashes. If it happens, which I think it will, then, focus on buying at that time, then you can trade. But then that would be the bottom, so would I really trade? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't really trade anything at the moment, Marvin, to be honest. It's hard to trade at this point, holding anything. Maybe if a good project that does bounce, if it goes down to a certain price, it's TARS. This project always bounces with the markets. Another one is OTK for 2 months. Let OTK go down. You can always buy this, my friend. This is a good one to trade short term. Looks like the top is in for this. It's going to start heading lower now. So OTK is a good one, Malvin. Not at these prices though. This is too high, my friend. Wait for this to go down. Will Munity have enough liquidity to sell? Bro, when the gaming narrative takes off, there will be more than enough liquidity to sell, 100k USD worth of Munity, my friend. Right now, the gaming sector is dead, so there's no liquidity in most gaming projects. Ego Chain, I love BTC. Let's have a look at this. I like RWA low caps, bro. Let's see if you guys can find a gem on stream. So far, so good. Good volume. Let's have a look at this. Tokenize anything. Ego Chain is an Ethereum compatible on the Cosmos SDK, which is good. Cosmos is bullish. Injective is built on Cosmos. Okay, so enhanced commercial experience enables secondary liquidity for the real estate assets. Scalable blockchain, 5 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay. We build the future of tokenization. We're creating real world NFT platforms into NFTs or real world allowing. Now this is terrible, bro. This is not that good. Yeah, it is FOMC, bro. To be fair, website looks decent. This could run though. This could be a trade. This could be a decent short-term trade. Team is not really doxed, but doxed. They got all their LinkedIns. Why would they not just show their face then? It doesn't make sense. It looks like it's an African team. Yeah, it looks like it's an African team. It's on Mexi and Bitmart. This had a good bounce from 70 cents all the way to 2.6. This had a very good bounce in July. Now it's coming back down. This could run though. To be honest, this could run. This could run, my friend. I love BTC. This is not too bad. You know, I'll add this to my list here. I'll have a look into it properly. Yeah, EGAX. It's had a massive pump though, like around the 3-4x short term. Pretty good. This could be a good trade when the RWA narrative takes off, which I don't think is going to be fair, so there's no point holding all of these right now. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is dumping. Yeah, FOMC probably going to be, they probably said staying higher for longer, probably not going to cut rates next month. That's what they said. Rate in September confirmed. Is that what they said, T13? Jerome Powell said many times rate cuts are on the table as soon as next FOMC meeting in September. This was most dovish meeting in 4 years. As expected. I think the entire market was expecting a rate cut in September. It was like 95%. Let's see. They will cut rates in September and that will be bearish. That's why Bitcoin is dumping now. It's because it's already confirmed now. So it's going to be sold the news event. People always like to front run it. If the fact that I think they're going to break something very soon though, in my opinion. They'll break something very soon. Copa may be a good short-term trade. 15.08 new game. New game doesn't really matter. For gaming projects, new games barely move the price, bro. Illuvium game came out after 5 years. The price didn't even move. But it could be a trade though. Is the game any good though, Matt? What does it look like? I can't believe they're cutting rates in September, bro. That's crazy. It's probably going to be like a 0.025 rate cut. You know, it's going to be a tiny rate cut. Yeah, exactly, Khalid. That's exactly right. A recession normally follows after 2 to 3 rate cuts. That's exactly right. But they will break something. They've already broken something, bro. Economy is not as good as... This is why the market is going to dump, because everyone was, you know, expecting a rate cut in September. Now that it's confirmed. But if he has another attempt at 70k and gets rejected, then we are going to head down a lot lower. Let's just see from this point. Let's see what Bitcoin does from this point on. Really want to trade TET for BKN. What do you think? After I make some profits on TET, I want to get 20 to 30k BK. And that's not a good move, I don't think. Well, I mean, it depends. If RWA hasn't pumped yet, then yeah, I would say that's a good move. Really rock for... It had to be white. What? A wife beater could be any color. Damn, so I'm a wife beater now. What the hell? Walaikum salam SY. How you doing, brother? Seen this guy in the gym that look like me? Nah, no one looks like me, bro. No one looks like me. That's probably you're probably racist SY. You probably seen a chinky guy A Chinese looking guy, and you said he looks like me, but that's racist. That's why you're being racist, huh? Now they sell multiple colors. Damn. Yeah, Jay, I think it is going to be happen. You know, Bitcoin will have one more attempt, in my opinion, at 70K. If it breaks it, then we're going to potentially go higher at the end of the year in October times. If we don't, and it gets rejected, then you're going to see some new all-time lows, 50K most likely. That's the two scenarios right now. But if the rate cut's confirmed, then it's going to be sell the news event. But then you got to keep in mind in like 10 days or something, you know, look, this is the scenario that could play out, my friends. Bitcoin could start rallying back up close to 70K, 71K. And then when we get the CPI results in a week's time, 2 weeks time, whenever it comes out in 10 days or something, then we could, you know, if it comes in hot, then we will see a crash in the markets back down to the 50K region. If it comes in good, then we're going to rally further and break the all-time highs. But, you know, I mean, bro, the debt just went up an extra like 3 trillion, bro. So I don't think it's going to go down. And this is the thing, right? I will tell you guys something to make you understand how this works. As the market pumps and people feel richer, all that means is the Fed is going to stay higher for longer because the Fed is battling the consumer. The Fed is trying to make the consumer weak. But if the consumer is feeling rich because crypto is going up or the stocks are going up, then they cannot cut rates early. They cannot pivot early because there's a risk of inflation going back up. There's a risk of that. So be very careful, my friends. And if we get a deflationary crash, that is very bad for the markets, but it's good for your groceries. That's it. Jasper, message me on Telegram, my friend. We're buying some wife beaters, some wife beater vests. What Khalid wants gets. Khalid's a G, that's why. Sensei, bro, I don't even think Super even knows who I am, bro. That's why. And these YouTubers don't give credits, my friend. They don't give credits. Only a few honest YouTubers actually give credit. Like, you know, DXB is a good guy. He gave me credit. Sepro gave me credit. Blaney gave me credit. These are good guys. You know, the weird ones don't give credit. And they try to not only take credit, but they take, what's that word, bro? They basically try to steal your picks and take credit for it as well. That's what the weird one does. That's what the weird kids do. That's all it is to it, bro. Like I said, all the proof is in the pudding. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting stream because I will show you guys all my calls. Just so no one can say anything, bro. That way it's done and dusted. Dead. So then anyone that ever chats shit again, just refer them to that live stream that I do tomorrow. Yeah, Kelly's a top guy, bro. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. That's what I'll do, bro. Because it seems, you know, once I do that, then realistically, no one can ever say anything to me ever again. Ever. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're waiting for, bro. Now, Bitcoin's going to continue to go lower, it seems. That's what it's looking like right now. Khalid is micro sailor in disguise. I think Khalid is the I think it might be either micro sailor or Brian Armstrong is either one. Khalid is one of the market makers. He's one of the market makers, bro. If you guys want to know what's gonna happen, just ask him. He's one of the market makers. He can pump Bitcoin back down to 60K right now. Yeah, that's exactly right. There is no second best, bro. There's only one best, and I am the best. So let's wrap up this live stream. Oh, it could be Satoshi as well, yeah. To wrap up this live stream, some good DCAs today are, and keep in mind, boys, DCA slowly. You do not need to buy large amounts. You do not need to buy hefty amounts. There is a chance these altcoins could go lower. So DCA slowly. Do not go buy a large amount now and then cry when it goes down more. DCA now and DCA when it goes down. So, and then we got the likes of Tectum. Very good DCA for Tectum. Could go as low as 5.5. You know, that could be the lowest for Tectum. If it bounces off that again, then it will go higher. And then we got the likes of Alt, which is a good DCA. Alt is not a bad DCA at these levels, my friends. Look at that. Had a nice little bounce today. But Alt is a good DCA. On the monthly, it's still up for us. OTK is not a good DCA right now. I repeat, is not a good DCA. Sensei is not a good DCA right now because it's pumped. This is not a good DCA right now. There's an unlock in 2 days. You guys need to buy this like a day after the unlock. It needs to be a day after the unlock for the unlocks to be fully sold off. Or even 2 days after the unlock. What else is there? Naka is not a bad DCA. Naka's not a bad DCA. I think it can go lower though. But you know, this is why we DCA. ZF is a good DCA as well. ZF is holding these levels very strong. This is not a bad DCA as well, my friend. What else is there? Immunity is a good DCA right now. Yeah, Immunity long term, this is a good DCA in my opinion. Really wait for lower prices. TARS wait for lower prices. BVM wait for lower prices. Maneki. Let's have a look at Maneki actually. I've not looked into this in a long time. Yeah, Maneki will go down along with Bitcoin, so no point buying this at the moment. Yeah, we have to wait for OTK to come to us. XRP is the... Yeah, that's crazy. But anyone buying XRP healthcare, bro? Let me see what XRP healthcare is on. Let me tell you guys some coins that are not worth the investment. I would start off with DCI. Why is DCI not worth the investment? Well, first of all, if you look at the Twitter of this project, I have to repeat this because there's always new people watching. If you guys look at the Twitter for this project, what do they ever do? They don't do anything, no updates. They don't do nothing. They just do a bunch of whatever these are, bro. They make some... they sold 250k, 300k. Let's be honest, they sold 300k for this. To do this type of marketing, bro. This is not marketing. So this is not a good project. Min layer is not a good project. I mean, if min layer goes to around 5 cents, 6 cents, I would definitely say it'll be worth a bag because it will pump at that point. You guys gotta realize anything you buy at the bottom will pump, even shit. You can buy shit at the bottom and you'll do a 10x in the bull run. So do not think you're a genius because you bought a project or because min layer, pumps a 10x, 20x, whatever. That doesn't make you a genius. Anything you buy at the bottom will pump. Make sure you guys understand that. If this goes to 5 cents, 6 cents, I would consider buying a bag. Why? Because it will pump in the bull run. There's still a big community behind this somehow. I don't know why, but there's still a community behind this. And they've turned into like a little cult. It's not even really a cult, but I think it's more desperation. A lot of people that's bought this 50 cents, 40 cents, 60 cents. It's just desperation for them. They hold him because they don't have a choice right now. And then we've got the likes of, you've got VRA, which is ass, AWT, which is ass, Dynex is ass. I don't know why people shilling Dynex. This project is awful. I mean, just look at this project, bro. Who is ever buying this project? This is like a stable coin. In the midst of the massive AI deepin rally we had, this went from the lows, right? Let's do it from the lows. Let's say because people buy the lows. No, they don't. But let's do from 65 cents. It went as high as $1.14, while most AI projects and deepin projects were putting in 30x's, 50x's, or 150x's, 200x's, 10x's. This was only done at 2x. Let's look at Octaspace now. This project is awful. Why? Because they have no funding. When a project don't have funding, they can't market. Yes, the chart looks good, but if you held this since last year, how much would it be up? You would have ultimately been up like 4x. Why would you hold a project for over a year for a 4x? That's terrible. And look, the worst thing is about this project, realistically, when a project is asking the community to raise 400k, which is not changed, that's a lot of money, to pay for exchange listings, what have you been doing since 2022 that you launched? These guys launched in 2022. Where is the money that you have accumulated apparently from working with Coca-Cola, which I think is just bullshit? How have you guys not accumulated enough money to get an exchange listing apart from Mexi? And I guarantee you they've given Mexi their tokens. They haven't even paid them out, right? So where is the money going to come from for an exchange listing unless you guys pay for it as the community, which I don't think as a project. Why am I investing into the project as well as paying for the exchange listings? That's retarded, bro. The incapable team. The team doesn't even have a history behind them. Go look at their LinkedIn. There's not a single other job. We don't even know where they come from. And if you go into the Telegram right now, you guys will see that one of the CEOs, he's in there 24 hours. Why are you in the Telegram 24 hours? Why don't you have admins? Are you guys that broke that you can't pay an admin? You see what I'm saying? These are red flags in a project. If who's developing the project when there's only two of you in the team, where one of you is in the Telegram 24 hours, who's developing the project? There's no development going on for Octa. 30% is staked. This is why the price is holding up well. When that gets unstaked, it will dump. So this is not worth the investment. I don't know why people are shilling this right now. This project is awful. It will not give you more than a 10x. I promise you, this will not give you more than a 10x. This doesn't have the capabilities. These guys kicked out most of the teams in 2023. They had like 15 team members. They fired all of them because they were so broke they couldn't pay for all of them. I do remember this project. I found Octaspace really, really early at like 10 cents or some shit, bro. So I could have made 20x on this, but this project, after they got rid of most of their team and only 2 members are left, I got rid of this shit. These rants are valid, Ross. They're not even rants. Where are the 1080 for high quality memes? Jillian is coming tomorrow, my friend. I forgot to sign up to the StreamYard thing. I'll do it tonight. Oh, by the way, guys, special announcements. I got AMA with Sensei on the 7th of August. So I do need to get that 1080 HP for that stream. So expect it within the next week, Jillian. I will be on StreamYard. Everything will be, a lot higher quality. I'm also going to order a new microphone as well as a new camera. So you guys can see me in much better quality. And I am going to step up my streaming game to the next level in terms of quality. Fortune favors the brave. I agree with you, Khalid. That's a very good saying, my friend. I don't even know, actually, Julian. I'm not too sure. But I know that 30% of the supply is staked, which is a good amount, though. It shows that a lot of, so 30% is a good amount, I would say. That shows people, believe in the longevity of the project. I would pick Octaspace over Dynex though, 100%. Octaspace has a good community behind them. The project is not bad, but without any money behind them, it's not going to do that well. That's all it is. But as a project, Octaspace is good. As an investment, it's not worth the investment. Is Dan going to be allowed back in the group? No. I'm still cool with Dan though. I'm still cool with Dan. Yo, the mic is actually alright. Oh, if the mic is alright, then let's ignore the mic. I will get a new webcam. How about that? Is the webcam alright? Or shall I get a new webcam? What do you guys think? A new webcam as well, or the webcam fine? I do think I can get a better microphone though. Some people say that it's a bit low in volume, but the volume is maxed out, so I can't really do nothing else about it. If I get a better microphone, maybe I will sound a bit more clear. As people say, I have an accent. I don't think I do. I think my accent is normal. Some people say, but there was one guy that said I sound like Dream Crypto, and that pissed me off, that did. Because Dream Crypto sounds like it's from Bradford or something, bro. I don't sound nothing like him. I don't know. Dream Crypto sounds like he's got a blocked nose 24 hours. Oh, a new background as well. C-Sense. Good to see you as well, buddy. Yeah, I'll get some lights and stuff as well, bro. I need to get some lights as well. Video is good as well, Zongo. Okay. Get a new mic. Video is good. I'll just get both. Fuck it, bro. I don't mind. Looking forward to joining your Discord. Please save me a seat, my friend. You're awesome. Other groups, pump your cause. Don't let us sell. I will join your group for the gems early. God bless you. Yeah, I will save you a spot, Troy. Don't worry, my friend. My mic is fine. A thumbnail designer for progress on YouTube. But Khalid, look, the thumbnails, I don't like putting my face on thumbnails, Khalid. I don't want to be doing this stupid stuff like this. And then, there's like a coin up here. I don't want to be doing the surprise face, bro. That's just too cringy for me, bro. I can't do it. I would rather stay underground than do the stupid cringy faces, bro. I'll be honest with you. I do have a thumbnail designer, but I can't do this cringy faces, bro. Imagine me doing this, bro, and then there's like a coin up here, bro. Like alt is up here or something, like up here. I can't do that. I just think that's too cringe, bro. I'm not doing that. Can't really read the camera because I've never seen it in 10H, but in camera is also alright. Now this camera is 1080, my friend, but you can get the proper cameras. They're like £500 or some shit. They're like the proper cameras. And I don't even know where I'm going to put that though on my monitor. I don't care about the camera. The camera's fine as long as you guys can see my face. But the only thing I need to focus on is just putting like a green screen or something behind me, bro. Just so you guys are not just staring at a white wall. The dance girls will blow up the channel. Boy, I'm going to get demonetized. Yeah, those thumbnails are all for us, bro. Terrible. I'll just get both of them. It doesn't matter, bro. Like, realistically, as long as my quality is decent. Right now it's decent, but, I might as well improve it to the next level. Get a better mic. Get a better camera. So you guys can see me in better HD. Get like a background or something. Maybe I'll move my desk so where you guys can see my background, my TV or something, but I don't know. You had an idea, but you forgot it. I mean, look, we've finished the crypto stuff now. There's nothing else to talk about in crypto. We're just going to have a little chat before I get off in like 10 minutes. The crypto stuff is ultimately done. Yeah, the stream is always 1020, so the camera always... Oh, yeah, no, that's just the stream quality, Jalen. As soon as I get on StreamYard, that quality will improve to 1080, so it's fine. I'll design your new thumbnail. You can't design nothing, bro. So I've told you guys the DCAs today. Some projects you will have to wait to buy, for example, Sensei, how high do you think cash and GPU can go from here, regards multiples? Okay, Rex, good to see you, buddy. First time seeing you in the stream. So a cash is one of those projects that has run significantly. Keep in mind, this is 700 million market cap. That is huge. If you look at Render, it's about 2 to 3 billion, I think it is. Yeah, about 2 billion. So if Render can do a 10x, that will be approximately 22 billion. I don't see why a cash cannot do a 10x as well, depending on how big Deepin becomes, which I think Deepin will be a big narrative. But I don't think any more than a 10x and a cash I think is being too optimistic. So a cash maximum 10x. And GPU, for those of you guys that don't know, right, I called this project in my private group at like 200k market cap or 150k market cap. So this done like 100x for us, over 100x as a matter of fact. At the heights, this was 250 million. So we've done about 250x or 200x, I don't even know. Merkel would be a best designer. Yeah, Merkel's a good thumbnail designer, to be fair. Bro, your content is what matters. Thanks for keeping it real. Yeah, Michael, that's true, The quality doesn't realistically matter. At the end of the day, what matters the most is what comes out of my mouth. What alpha I'm giving you guys. So yes, the quality can improve. Yes, the mic could be better. But as long as you guys can hear me and listen to what I'm saying, what coins I'm telling you to buy, the rest of it doesn't really realistically matter. But it is better though. Who is the worst big crypto YouTuber in your opinion? Probably the worst in my opinion is probably like someone like Gaines or Superman. These type of idiots. Like Gaines is just a page killer. Alex Becker's another page killer. He used to be good, but now he's just turned into a page killer. I probably say Alex Becker's the worst, bro. He only shows coins that pay him at this point. That's what I've realized. I think he's become so big in the space that every single project is probably reaching out to him. So he's picking the best that's reaching out to him. Golden rim dark glasses and a gold fake chunky chain. What the hell? But I'm going to be looking like Superman wearing a suit on stream. That's crazy, that is. My thumbnail will be these projects are ass, and it will show the logos of XRP ADA.ml. I'm going to get Merkel to make that stream for next project. Don't make you take your like back. How many likes are we even on? My portfolio is currently 50k. I have AI, gaming, Deepin, memes. You think you can 5 to 10x my portfolio? It depends what projects you hold, my friend. But those are the top narratives. You need to add some RWA projects, Rex. You need to add some RWA projects. Boys, let's smash the like button. There's 61 people watching. Let's get to at least 60 likes. 60 likes should be on the cards today. And I will tell you guys one thing, right? When it comes to crypto, the most important aspect is exercising patience. You can buy a project at the top, and when it corrects 50%, 60%, you might be a little bit dismotivated or demotivated. You might think this project is a scam. It's not the project being a scam. It's you as an investor buying at the wrong time. You can, like I said, if you buy somewhere near the lows for every single project, you will make a lot of money. You'll make a lot of money. This is what you have to do, is aim to buy somewhere near the bottom. And this is what I provide in my private group. I always buy near the bottom, if not at the bottom. My track history speaks for itself. I found Claw AI at 0.007 or something, 0.007, under 1 cent. It was like 0.05 or something. I don't really remember, bro. But I found this under, 1 cent. That is in itself will make you a lot of money. I found OTK when everyone said it was a rug pull, and I still bought it. Why? Because the app was working, the games looked decent, easy to play games. That would have been a narrative at those times. I bought NAC at the lows, I bought SMT at the lows. You have to buy somewhere at the lows, near the lows at least, and then you will make money. You cannot buy something at the top and blame other people, when it goes down 80, 70% along with the rest of the market. I mean, as long as you don't sell, you will always recover your funds. The only time you lose is when you sell. That's the problem. So if you're down on one coin, do not sell if you're down 50, 60, 70%, because it will recover at some point. Keep that in mind, and always do your own research in these coins. This is what you have to realize. You have to do your research in these coins. I might have missed something on these coins that you might have picked up on. And, that could be a red flag in that coin. Even though I do my due diligence, I do very deep research. So I check all the red flags and stuff. But I'm just saying. So keep that in mind, guys. You have to exercise patience. Yeah, exactly, Khaled. I've nailed the bottom on most coins. I nailed the bottom on OTK recently. I nailed the bottom on Munity. I've nailed the bottom of Sensei. I've nailed the bottom of Alt. I nailed the bottom of Tectum exactly the exact same amount. Why? Because I was in contact with whales. And this is the thing, right? I don't think, amongst the low cap YouTubers, there isn't any other that do low caps that have the connections that I have in crypto. They don't. They don't have the connections that I have in crypto. It's very, very obvious. I have a lot of connections with a lot of teams, a lot of, big players in the crypto, a lot of whales that most other people do not have. This is why I get access to stuff that no one else gets access to. I missed the joke. I know the joke, Khaled. I understand the joke, don't worry. All right, boys. Let's wrap up this live stream. I shall be live tomorrow, possibly. I'm going to do a private stream tomorrow. I've got some important matters to talk about in a private group. So tomorrow will be a private stream. And I'll be back live on Friday, my friends. So enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your week. I will see you guys on Friday. I got a private stream tomorrow, so I cannot be live tomorrow. G, you are really the one who keeps good the good work. I will join the private group after my return from the holiday march shortly. Yeah, Mr. Fantastico, you're welcome, my friend. It will be very good to have you, buddy. Yeah, Mr. Fantastico is a great name, bro. Every time I see his name, I pronounce it. All right, boys. Take care of yourselves. Drop a stream. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already done so. And then, private group, the numbers are limited. There's like 70 spots left now. It will fill out as the market heats up. Skid Marks, how you doing, bro? Skiddy Marks. Yeah, because the rate cut now is priced in. So once look, I've already, how many times have I told you guys this? People front run the rate cuts. The front run the markets. They know there's a very likely chance they'll cut in September. People front run it, pump the price up, and then once the rate cuts actually happen, it gets sold off. That's all it is, my friend. Let's just see. It might recover. We'll have to see. If it doesn't, then it's better for us. I want it to go down even more, to be honest. Good day, damn Middle East messing with our gains. Is it Middle East? How do I manage to get in? Bro, Fiznik, you always get in the last minute, bro. Always. What part of the world? What time is it for you, Fizz? Don't worry, Skid Marks. We got a private stream tomorrow, my friend. We got a private stream tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in a private stream. Fizz, what time is it for you? I know you're busy, man. Oh, the war in Middle East. The war in Middle East, bro. Like, it's going to start escalating very soon, I think. I think Lebanon and Israel will go to war. It's already priced in. Well, it's not priced in, but it will happen. I think it's priced in because it will happen. That will definitely happen in my opinion. It's only a matter of time. Oh, Xander, good to see you, buddy. RWB and Solana, yeah? It's 2 p.m. That's early days. Let's have a look actually. This is anything on Solana is bullish. 11 million market cap, volume is decent. Basically at all-time lows. What the fuck? Is that a massive pump? Damn, this went parabolic, bro. Damn. Now it's basically back down to all-time lows. It's like a pump and dump. Yeah, Lebanon's definitely going to the first marketplace for all. Oh, okay. Xander, I've already looked into this, bro. This is a unique project that can do well. Yes, I've already looked into this. I think I've added on to my watch list. Have I not done that? Yeah, someone showed me this the last few streams ago. This is actually a unique project. It's a unique project. If it goes back down to the all-time lows, I would definitely buy this, bro. You probably have another pump, but I'm surprised he's dumped this much. Is it because he hasn't had the docs team? So the problem investors are, 50-50 on this is why? Because they don't have a docs team. So whenever they're buying, before I speak, let me double check if they have a docs team or not. Let me not speak before double checking. From memory, did this not have a docs team? Yeah, it doesn't have a docs team, bro. Yeah, when it doesn't have a docs team, bro, and you're buying art from these people, you have to be very, very careful. This must have happened during the Solana run. Had a massive run during the Solana run, and now they're just dumped back down. It could be a trade though. I do think it can be a trade. It's on good exchanges as well. Yeah, I've already looked into this, Xander. I think it's a good project in my opinion. I do think it's a good project. I think it can do well because it's so niche. Have you researched any of these coins on my list? To be 100% honest with you, I probably looked around 5 of these only. That's it. Only 5 of this, nothing else. I'm going to start looking at them today. I'm going to go get some food and start looking at researching some of these coins. Nah, I don't think it has a white paper. No white paper. I mean, you don't really need a white paper for a project where you sell art, do you? You just buy shares in the art. You're tokenizing art and you're buying a share in it. So you don't really need a white paper. The project speaks for itself. Me and DXB are good now. I've never had a problem with DXB. T13, never had a problem with I don't pick sides, bro. I don't pick sides. DXB has never done anything wrong to me. Neither has Sepro. I don't pick sides. I'm cool with all of them, bro. I'm not going to pick sides because, the white paper's right here. I'm not going to pick sides just because someone, done something. That's their prerogative. That's their choice, bro. That's their, I got my own community to look after. Creating bad blood with random people that's done nothing wrong to me is childish and it's pointless. So I've got no bad blood with anyone. I'm cool with DXB. I'm cool with Seppo. If them guys are not cool, why should I pick sides? I'm not picking sides, but what? That's weird. The real people that scammed them was the T-Mania devs and the fucking Ambo dev. It's not my fault, I'm saying it's not their fault they got rugged. Is the clowns from T-Mania and the clowns from the other projects. I meant to see if the team's not doxed. It is doxed actually. What the hell? The team is doxed. Yeah, team is doxed. I don't get why they wouldn't put it on their website. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, but this is overall a good project, my friend. If it continues to go lower, maybe to like 0.3, 0.4 regions, I think this will be a good investment. What was the market cap it went to? 77 million, so it's like 7x down. Keep in mind, the dilution for this must have been minimum down here. Yeah, look at that. Dilution must have been minimum. Because for this to go back to its all-time high is like an 8x. 8.5x. So, it needs to come down way more before it's worth the investment. Don't look at the price. Look at the price wise. What would it be? Yeah, price is more than a 10x, but market cap wise is a bit less. Because the dilution, over time dilution comes into play. All right, boys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I am going to go get some food now. I shall be live on Friday. I do have a private stream tomorrow. That is why I cannot stream tomorrow. And I will have a topic for us on Friday. And hopefully I should be on 1080 HP. Be on 73 likes. No, good to see you, buddy. Yeah, I should be on HD now. You know what, Ross? I'll look at Domi for you one last time, bro. Fuck it. 1 cent for Domi. Damn. What was the lows for this? You know, you can always buy the lows and trade it. 0.3. Yeah, if it goes to 0.3, I'd buy this. The game looks good, though. Look at that, damn. All right, boys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your night. Have a wonderful night. I shall see you guys on